to Cotton Cuts, Floral States of America, shipment number 2, month number 2. So when we open up the package, we have the Wild Wild West card, and this one is for the upcoming PMQ that you can go ahead and sign up for. So it gives you information on the front and the back. Tree of Life is the current one. Clue number 6 just shipped, so everybody should be getting that in the mail here shortly, or you've already gotten them in the mail. Tells you about the next one coming up. I love a lot of the colorways. They're so pretty. When you open up your package, you always have your block of the month from Cotton Cuttings. This one is July 2024. On to the 5 states. So we had the first 5, now we're doing the next 5, and they send them in the mail to you every month for 10 months, and they send you 5 blocks at a time. The blocks will be 8 by 8 by the time that you're done sewing them up. They're super easy to do, so much fun. Number 6 state is Massachusetts. And after I show each one, there'll be like a little pause in the video. I'll take a picture of it so you can really see the colors of the fabric. Number 7 is Maryland, the Old Line State. I love the fabrics that they have curated for this program, and I love the Andover fabrics as well, because Andover Fabrics went ahead and made fabrics for every single one of the 50 states, and so they took the state flower and put it into fabric form. They're so pretty. The next one, the number 8, is South Carolina, the Palmetto State. This one's got blue and yellow. I really like that one a lot. New Hampshire is the Granite State. It's state number 9. And of course that one has purple and pinks. I love them all. Don't tell anybody. All right, Virginia is Old Dominion, and it's state number 10. Is the next 5 states for Floral States of America. So pretty. You can go ahead and go over to cottoncuts.com. Maybe you want to order just a block or 2. So they've already sent out the first 10 now, since we're in month number 2. Maybe you want to make a special project where you only want to make the states that you've lived in. Maybe you grew up military, or you just, in your childhood, you had a lot of states that you lived in. Me, I only have Florida and Alabama, so mine would be a table, a placemat for my table if I only did the two states that I've lived in. But then my husband, he was in the military, he was Navy for 21 years, so he was all over the place. So probably make a lap quilt for him because of all the states that he visited while he was in the military. All different ways you can do that. Maybe this is a project that you want to make for someone in your family. Maybe you know that they've lived in a lot of states due to their lifetime, and you want to make a quilt for them. Maybe you want to make a lap quilt, or you want to make even a wall hanging. There are so many possibilities that you can make with the Floral States of America. Cotton Cuts curated it where you can make 2 different quilt sizes with all the 50 states blocks. But that's what's so fun about Cotton Cuts and about being creative, is making something that you want to make. So you can always change it up to what works best for you. Get your mind thinking, what do you want to do with the Cotton Cuts Floral States of America? We'll see you soon in the next video where we start putting them together. Until next time, take care everyone. Bye.